Welcome to Tool Junkie. Let's discuss the best free alternatives of Photoshop which you can use to design images for free. Photoshop alternatives and expand your creative horizons. Exploring different software options can really unlock your full creative potential. Many of these alternatives are also cost-effective, offering powerful features without the hefty price tag of Photoshop. And with their user-friendly interfaces, these tools are designed to be intuitive, making them accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer. First up, we have GIMP, the open-source powerhouse. Best of all, it's completely free to use, no matter where you are in the world. GIMP also supports a wide range of plugins, so you can easily enhance its features to fit your creative needs. Its customizable interface lets you tailor your workspace exactly how you like it, making your workflow smoother than ever. And with its powerful editing tools, you can achieve professional quality results without breaking the bank. Whether you're touching up photos, creating digital art, or designing graphics, GIMP has got you covered. Next up is Krita, the ultimate tool for digital painting. It's designed specifically for digital artists and illustrators, making it perfect for bringing your imagination to life. With advanced layer control, you can manage even the most detailed artwork with ease. Krita also offers an impressive variety of brushes, giving you endless possibilities to express your creativity. And if you're into animation, Krita has you covered with built-in animation tools, letting you tell your stories frame by frame right within the software. Meet Photopea, your go-to browser-based editing solution. It's a completely free editor, giving you powerful tools without spending a dime. Its familiar interface makes navigation easy, so you can jump right into your workflow without a learning curve. With full PSD support, you can seamlessly work with Photoshop files on any device, making collaboration and file sharing effortless. And for quick tasks, Photopea offers all the essential editing tools you need for fast and efficient results.
Next, we have Affinity Photo, a professional-grade editor that truly elevates your editing experience. It offers powerful editing tools for precise and intricate adjustments. With raw processing, you can work with raw files to capture maximum detail and image quality. Its non-destructive workflow ensures you can edit freely without ever losing the original file. And with advanced retouching tools, Affinity Photo lets you enhance your images with incredible precision and artistry, making every edit look professional. Finally, let's explore Pixlr E, a fast and flexible online photo editor. Its user-friendly interface makes navigation and editing effortless, even for beginners. With quick edit options, you can make fast adjustments to enhance your images instantly. Pixlr E also includes AI-powered tools that take care of complex editing tasks in just a few clicks, saving you time and effort. And since it's accessible online, you can edit your photos from anywhere, anytime, with ease and convenience. Next, let's discover Paint.net, your simple yet powerful photo editing solution. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it a perfect choice for beginners just getting started with image editing. With plugin support, you can easily expand its functionality and add new features to suit your creative needs. It also includes all the essential tools you need for quick and effective edits. Plus, Paint.net has a growing and supportive community, always ready to help users learn, share tips, and improve their skills. After exploring all these amazing alternatives, if I had to pick one, my choice would be Affinity Photo. It gives you everything you need to create stunning images. While every tool we covered has its strengths, Affinity Photo feels like the most complete option for anyone serious about editing, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. It's the one I'd personally reach for when I want precision, flexibility, and high-quality results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on photo editing, digital art, and creative tools. Don't forget to like,